In this video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back Elementor to previous version. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com and you have two options. You can either get started and create an account or log in if you already have an account ready. So just choose which one you would like to use. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me head over and click on login. So in here is my Elementor editor. So for example, I can make some edits. For example, on this case, I can head over and then delete specific parts. You can head over and select specific parts. Like for example, I have in here this text and I want to delete it now. For example, you can click onto this X and you can also click onto this X right here in order to delete them. However, if you want to undo your actions, you can click on the Control and Z on your keyboard, and then this will actually undo the changes that you have made just like that. However, if the change that you have made is, for example, already published or you want to revert back to the change that you made a week ago, you can head over and then click onto this Elementor icon right there. Click onto this History. After that, you can click on Revisions. And from in there, you can see these options. Like for example, I have in here this from a week ago. We have some from 2 weeks ago. And we also have other options right there. So for example, let's choose in here this a week ago. You can see a preview of what that will look like. And then after that, head over and apply it if you would want. So doing that will actually apply the changes that you have made so far using that particular thing that you actually added into this part. So just choose the revision that you want. You can either discard or apply. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.